is your lead left vodcast for the week of October 11th. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. Of the many unanticipated consequences of COVID, one that caught our eye was the recent New York Times headline, "Birds Thrived During Lockdowns." Seems that while we were stuck at home last spring, our feathered friends were out partying. Urban areas, otherwise crowding out some species, saw hummingbirds and bald eagles return at 14 times pre-pandemic levels. I am shocked at the fact we saw so many changes in bird behavior, a Canadian conservation biologist reported. Pigeon populations were unchanged. Leveraged finance has experienced similar post-COVID diversions of behavior. This week, the broadly syndicated market set a record for annual issuance, $505 billion, according to S&P LCD. With the bulk of the fourth quarter to go, 2021 will easily surpass 2017's previous record of $503 billion. What's behind this resurgence of animal spirits? Well, investor appetite for yield is playing a leading role. The S&P LSTA index is 4.4% year-to-date, only a tick below the BAML High Yield Bond Index of 4.7%. CLOs remain the primary driver of institutional loans. New vehicle volume is $134 billion, a record high, thanks to low liability spreads and attractive equity arbitrage. Another source of loan liquidity is retail cash. LCD reported $3 billion of such inflows in September alone, representing the 10th such month in a row. Fueling overall M&A is private equity dividends. Not surprising, given raising new funds demands old fund realizations, whether from sales or recaps. Appetite for yield assets continues to pressure structures and terms, so selectivity is everything. On the bright side, borrower quality has held up, and cash equity as a percent of total capital is at an all-time high. Whether you're a hummingbird, a new entrant in the asset class, or a pigeon, a permanent resident, the future looks fruitful for credit investors. Reporting from the Bird Sanctuary at the lead left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.